Hello all. In this session we'll discuss topic 4 of unit 4, which is multimedia data mining. We'll discuss the following content, that is definition of multimedia database and multimedia data mining methods. First, multimedia database. Multimedia database is a collection of multimedia data which includes text, image, graphics, audio, video, animations. Next, we'll discuss the different multimedia data mining method, that is similarity search, classification and prediction analysis, mining association in multimedia data. First, similarity search in multimedia data. For similarity search in multimedia data, we consider two main families of multimedia indexing and retrieval system. First one, description based retrieval system, and the second one is content based retrieval system. Description based retrieval system, which builds indices and performs object description based on image description such as keywords, that is it allots some particular keywords, caption, size and time of creation. Next, content based retrieval system, which supports retrieval based on image content such as color histogram, texture, pattern, image topology. Description based retrieval system is labor intensive if performed manually. If it is automated, the results are typically of poor quality. For example, the assignments of keywords to images can be tricky and arbitrary task. Next, content based retrieval uses visual features to index images and promote object retrieval based on feature similarity, which is highly desirable in many applications. Content based image retrieval system, they are often of two types: image sample based queries, image feature specification queries. Next, image sample based queries finds all of the images that are similar to the given image sample. This search compares the feature vector or signature extracted from the sample with the feature vectors of images that already have been extracted and indexed in the image database. Based on this comparison, images that are close to the sample image are returned. So here, what is signature? Signature or feature vector is a numerical representation of the image characteristics like color, texture. So for example, in this you can upload an actual image and the system extracts its feature vectors like color, texture to find similar image in the database. It's like asking, show me the image that looks like this one. Next one is image feature specification queries. Specify image features like color, text, shape, which are translated into feature vectors to be matched with the feature vectors of the image in the database. In this, instead of uploading an image, you describe specific features like color, texture and shape. The system then looks for images that match your description. So in the previous one, we tried to upload the image, whereas in this we tried to specify color, texture and shape instead of uploading the image. Next, content based retrieval has wide applications including medical diagnosis, weather prediction, TV production, web search engines for images. Some systems like query by image content support both sample based and image feature specification queries. There are also systems that support both content and description based retrieval. Several approaches have been proposed and studied for similarity based retrieval image databases based on image signature, like color histogram based signature, multi feature composed signature. Let us discuss the first one, which is color histogram based signature. In this approach, signature of the image include color histogram based on color composition of an image regardless of scale and orientation. This method does not contain any information about shape or texture. Thus, two images with similar color composition but that contain very different shapes or textures may be identified as similar. So it compares only with respect to color composition. It does not take into consideration the shape and texture. So if two images are similar in terms of color composition but contains different shapes or texture, they may be identified as similar in this color histogram based signature. Next, multi-feature based signature, multi-feature composed signature. Now in this, in addition to color histogram, we also consider shape, image topology and texture. So in this approach, signature of the image includes a composition of multi-features like color histogram, shape, image topology and texture. The extracted image features are stored as metadata and images are indexed based on such metadata. Often separate distance functions can be used for each feature and subsequently combined to derive the overall result. Next is classification and prediction analysis of multimedia data. Classification and predictive modeling are used in scientific fields like astronomy, seismology, and geoscience to analyze multimedia data. For example, in astronomy data, sky images classified by astronomers are used to train models to recognize celestial bodies such as galaxies, stars, based on attributes like magnitude, areas, and orientation. Some of the key components in classification and predictive analysis of multimedia data are data pre-processing, image data processing, web multimedia data, web mining, and data linkage. So let us discuss one by one. So first one, data pre-processing. Key steps include data cleaning, data transformation, and feature extraction using techniques like edge detection, eigenvector decomposition, and probabilistic model. So using data pre-processing, we try to clean the data, use data transformation and feature extraction. Next one, image data pre-processing. Handling large image data sets require parallel and distributed processing due to their high volume and processing power needs. So here we require parallel and distributed processing. Web multimedia data. The World Wide Web serves as a vast source of multimedia data embedded in web pages serving various purposes such as content, advertisement, and suggestion. Last one, web mining and data linkage. Mining data by utilizing the retrieval locations and linkages among text, image, and web page elements aids in better understanding and classifying multimedia content on the web. Next, mining association in multimedia data. So, what kind of association can be mined in multimedia data? Association rules involving multimedia objects can be mined in image and video database. At least three categories can be observed. First one is association between image content and non-image content features. A rule like If 50 percentage of the upper part of the picture is blue, then it is likely to be represented as a sky. Belongs to this category since it links the image content to the keyword sky. Next, association among image content that are not related to spatial relationship. A rule like if a picture contains two blue squares, then it is likely to contain one red circle as well. Belongs to this category since associations are regarding image contents. Last one, associations among image content related to spatial relationship. A rule like if a red triangle is between two yellow squares, then it is likely a big oval shaped object is underneath. To mine association among multimedia objects, we can treat each image as a transaction and find frequently occurring patterns among different images. Thank you.